Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For some reasons, after creating a multiple account in your Google or Gmail, you want to delete it but you don't know how. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google account or Gmail account successfully. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. Without further ado, let's jump to it. So you have to locate your Gmail and tap on it. Once there, locate the topmost right icon. It can be your picture or logo or any symbols you see, and tap on it. Here, of course, you will notice that I have many accounts that I've created already. Now I'm interested in deleting the Mubarick MD. So I'll tap on manage your Google account. So beside the home menu, you will notice I have personal info. I also have data and privacy. So I'll tap on the data and privacy. I'll scroll down through the various options under the data and privacy until I locate delete your Google account, which found itself under more options, delete your Google account. So I'll tap on the delete your Google account. I will allow it to load a few seconds. It will be prompted. I'll be prompted that I should enter my Gmail password to ensure that I'm the same person behind it. So I'll quickly enter my Gmail password and I will go to next. So of course here you notice that I've been prompted by the Google terms that when I delete this account, all other service of Google associated with it will also be deleted. Their Drive, their Gmail, their brand account photos, YouTube, calendar, Chrome Sync, contacts, and all other things that Google is associated with will also delete alongside this account. So once I've read it and I'm okay with it, I'll just go into tap on the various agreement icons. So I'll tap here and I'll also go here and tap here. So at this juncture, if I go and continue to click on delete accounts, then this account will be deleted. Of course, I'm not going to delete this account. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.